What will be the question now? What is the question now? So previously they are giving the differential equation. For that you have to find out the impulse response. Here what happens? So what will be the problem? How we solve this problem now? Anyone?
Sir, taking FT.
That means in the previous problems they given the differential equation. For the differential equation we have to find out what? Impulse response. But here they already given the impulse response. You have to find out what? What do you have to find out here?
Differential equation.
Differential equation. Previously they are giving the impulse response, differential equation. For the differential equation you have to find out the impulse response. But here is ulta, reverse. They given the impulse response, you have to find out the differential equation, right? So they given the impulse response. For that you have to find out the differential equation. What is the first step? As Chandramohan said, taking solution, taking Fourier transform on both sides, right? It will be h of j omega is equal to 1 by a. What is the Fourier transform of e power minus t into t by a? We already know that e power minus a t into a of t. If you apply the Fourier transform, you will get 1 by a plus j omega, right? You should write in this form. Here minus t by a omega. That means what? 1 by a plus j omega, right? Yes or no? This is in this form. E power minus 1 by a into t. Will you agree? Yes or no? Reply matrapa.
Yes, sir.
E power minus 1 by a into t. So it will becomes 1 by a plus j omega. Right? Now take the LCM. So if you shift that a upwards, it will becomes then what is the next step? You have to find out the differential equation. What is the next step now? Can I write like this? H of j omega is frequency response, right? Yes or no? Reply matrapa.
Yes, sir.
H of j omega means frequency response. Output response by input response, right? It would be 1 divided by 1 plus j into a omega, right? Now shift these terms to the y of j omega. This shift and just crisscross. It will become y of j omega into 1 plus j a omega into x of j omega. Y of j omega plus j a omega into y of j omega is equal to x of j omega. Now taking, what did you take here now? Taking, reply Madi, girls.
Sir, inverse Z transform.
Z
Inverse.
inverse Fourier transform, right?
Yes, sir.
Fourier transform on both sides. what you will get now? Y of j omega means y of t, right?
Yes, sir.
Plus j into a omega means,
D of y of t by dt.
because this is in the form of a into j omega y of j omega alva. J into j omega anta bantu andre it is always what?
First order differential equation.
First order differential equation. Very good. It's a first order differential equation. It becomes a into dy of t by dt is equal to x of t. You got the differential equation?
Yes, sir.
That's all. If you have any doubts in any steps, you can ask me now. Okay, fine. Take the next problem. Find a differential equation that represents a system with a frequency response. Find a differential equation that represents the system with a frequency response. Find a differential equation that represents the system with a frequency response. H of j omega is equal to 2 plus 3j omega minus 3j omega whole square all divided by 1 plus 2j omega. ನೀವೇ try ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. For this, you have to find out the differential equation. For this, you have to find out what? Differential equation. Okay? Okay na? First step ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? It's very simple. H of j omega is equal to y of j omega. Frequency response is equal to output response by input response. Then write down the given h of j omega. Then just crisscross. Then shift the terms to the denominator to the left hand side, numerator to the denominator to the left hand side, and x of j omega to the right hand side. Then do inverse Fourier transform. You will get the differential equation. ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? You can solve, right? Yes or no? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಯಾರು ರಿಪ್ಲೈನೇ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. y of j omega is equal to 1 plus 2 into j omega, x of j omega into 2 plus 3j omega minus 3j omega whole square. Now multiply the y of j omega inside and x of j omega inside. Then take inverse Fourier transform, you will get the differential equation. Okay? Shall I move further? Shall we move further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next heading, discrete time Fourier transform. Discrete time Fourier transform, short form DTFT. Discrete time Fourier transform. dt ft. Take on type 1 problems here. To find dtft of given. To find dtft of given signal. Before that, so the equation for the dtft will be x of e power j omega is equal to, here you use integration of summation for the discrete, integration of summation.
Summation.
Okay, very good. Summation n is equal to minus infinity infinity x of n into e power minus j omega n. Okay, please remember this formula throughout. X of e power j omega is equal to summation n is equal to minus infinity to x of n into e power minus j omega n. First problem. ಬೇಗ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Find the DTFT of the signal. Reply ಮಾಡಿ, that is very important. Find the DTFT of the signal. X of n is equal to alpha power n into e of n. Mod alpha less than 1. Mod alpha less than 1. What is the first step now? What is the first step? X of e power j omega will be equal to e is equal to minus infinity infinity x of n into e power minus j omega n. How we decide the limits now? Sukrit, how we decide the limits?
U of n.
So based on the u of n, the limits is from 0 to infinity. Alpha power n into e power minus j omega n. Now it would be, take n common, we have to use which formula now? By
Infinite.
infinite, very good. Infinite sum formula. X of e power j omega will be equal to 1 by 1 minus alpha e power minus j omega. Right? Right on second problem. Find the DTFT of the signal. Find the DTFT of the signal. Find the DTFT of the signal. X of n is equal to 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. Which one is the reference here?
5.
5. Very good. And evaluate. X of e power j omega will be equal to omega at omega is equal to 0. Question ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು? Find the DTFT of the signal x of n is equal to 1, 3, 5, 3, 1 and evaluate x of e power j omega at omega is equal to 0. What is the next step now? Next step ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ? Bharti? Bharti, what is the next step?
Formula, sir.
X of e power j omega will be equal to summation n is equal to minus infinity infinity x of n into e power minus j omega n. Right? Then now it's very simple to write. x of e power j omega 0 minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 2. Then it becomes x of minus 2 in the place of n I'm writing minus 2 e power minus j omega into minus 2 plus x of minus 1 into e power minus j omega into minus 1 plus x of 0 to e power minus j omega into 0 plus x of 1 e power minus j omega into 1 plus x of 2 into e power minus j omega into 2. What is x of minus 2 value here? What is 1? Very good. 1 into e power minus e power plus j omega. X of minus 1 value?
3.
3. 3 into e power j omega. X of 0. E power 0 is what? E power 0 is 1. What is x of 0 value? Reference?
5.
5.
5 into 1. Good. Next, x of 1? 3 into e power minus j omega. X of 2 value? 1 into e power minus 2j.
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾವುದು? ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, e to the power of minus j omega.
ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಇವಾಗ e power minus j omega n it starts from like this, right? n is equal to minus 2 minus 1 n is equal to 0 n is equal to 1 n is equal to 2. ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ, minus 2 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, minus 1 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, 0th ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 0 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5, 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 1, minus 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 1, ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು, n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
The final answer ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ e power j 2 omega ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು?
ಯಾವುದು? e power j omega ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್?
ಸರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್.
ಎಸ್, e power j 2 omega ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ನಂಗೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸಾರಿ, e power j 2 omega. ಇದೆರಡು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎಲ್ಲೋ ನೋಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪನ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇವೆರಡು ಸೇಮು, ಇವೆರಡು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? 5 ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಣ. 5 into 1 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ e power plus 2 j omega e power minus j 2 omega ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
ಸೊ cos omega
ಅಲ್ವಾ? e power j theta plus e power minus j theta by 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೇನು? cos theta ನಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ?
yes sir.
ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ? e power j 2 omega ಅಂದ್ರೆ what will be the equation? It would be
Cos omega.
it would be cos omega, right? Cos 2 omega. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ e power 2 j omega plus e power minus 2 j omega plus 3 e power j omega plus e power minus j omega. Now it's very simple. It would be 5 plus ನಂಬರ್ e power j theta plus e power minus j theta ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 cos theta, right?
Yes sir.
Listen here. e power j theta plus e power minus j theta divided by 2 will be cos theta. E power j theta plus e power minus j theta will be equal to 2 cos theta. So here it would be 2 into cos of, what is theta value?
2 omega.
2 omega. Here plus 3 into 2 cos of omega. It would be 5 plus 2 cos of 2 omega plus 3 into 6 of cos omega. This will be a x of e power j omega. But problem not yet solved, because here what you have to find out, all c valid x of e power j omega to omega is equal to 0. That means what? When omega is equal to 0, it would be x of e power j omega. Omega is equal to 0 will be x of e power j0 will be, if you substitute in the place of omega value ಗೆ 0 substitute ಮಾಡಿ, 2 into cos of 2 into 0 plus 6 into cos of 0. It would be 5 plus cos 0 is what? 1 or 0 na?
1.
1. Finally you will get Get on problem number 3. That problem. Find the DTFT of the signal. Find the DTFT of the signal. X of n is equal to minus 1 to the power n into u of n. Find the DTFT of the signal. X of n is equal to minus 1 to the power n into u of n. ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಂತ. ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಅಗ್ನಿತೇಜ್ ನೀನೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ನೌ? n is equal to
0 to infinity.
0 to infinity. Very good. X of n will be minus 1 to the power n e power minus j omega. Correct? Now take a common. It would be n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 e power minus j omega to the power n. It's nothing but summation n is equal to 0 to infinity minus e power minus j omega into u. If you do the infinite sum formula, 1 minus of minus e power minus j omega. Correct? Infinite sum formula use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will becomes 1 by 1 plus e power minus j omega. But ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮುಗ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ತಂದಿಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತರ್ತೀರಾ? x of e power j omega will be equal to 1 divided by I will write in that this form. What is e power minus j omega 2 into e power minus j omega 2? What you will get? What is e power minus j omega by 2 into e power plus j omega by 2?
e power minus j omega.
E power j omega ಬರುತ್ತಾ? e power minus j omega by 2 plus j omega by 2. j ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಟ omega by 2 this time e power minus j omega correct it becomes e power minus j omega 2 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it would be 1 e power minus j0. It would be 1. Correct? So 1 ನಾನು ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I will write like this. I will take e power minus j omega by 2. Standard form cos and terms ಬೇಕಾದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ into e power j omega by 2 plus here I want e power minus j omega. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ? Here if I want e power minus j omega, ಏನು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ e power minus j omega ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್? Are understanding? If you multiply these two terms, you will get 1, right? ಇದೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If you multiply these two terms, if you multiply these term and this term, you have to get this value.
1.
E power minus j.
Sir, 1 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
1 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ e power minus j omega by 2 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಂಗೆ e power minus j omega ಬೇಕು.
Sir, e power minus j omega 2 ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
Very good. e power minus j omega by 2. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ e power minus j omega by 2 into trial and error ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ. e power minus j omega by 2. e power j omega by 2 plus e power j omega by 2. Half plus of 1, it will become e power minus j omega. Correct? Omega by 2 plus omega by 2 will be equal to omega. Correct? This side alingakana. Now it would be x of e power j omega will be equal to I will shift these terms to the upwards numerator. It would be e power j omega, it becomes positive as e power j omega by 2. What is e power j omega by 2 plus e power minus j omega by 2? It's in the which type, which form? It's in the it is in the which form?
The 2 cos omega by 2.
2 cos
Omega by 2.
very good. It is in the form of 2 cos omega by 2. So it is 2 cos of omega by 2. It is in the form of e power j theta plus e power minus j theta. E power j theta plus e power minus j theta is nothing but 2 cos theta. It becomes 2 cos of omega by 2. Standard form ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Take the next problem. Take the next problem. Problem number
4.
4. Yes, 4. Evaluate the DTFT of the signal. Evaluate the DTFT of the signal. Evaluate the DTFT of the signal. X of n is equal to 1 by 2 to the power n into u of n minus 4. X of n is equal to 1 by 2 to the power n u of n minus 4. What is the first step? X of e power j omega is equal to summation n is equal to minus infinity infinity x of n into e power minus j omega n. What is the limits here? Please tell me the limits. Is from n is equal to
4 to infinity.
4 to infinity. Very good. It depends upon the unit step. 1 by 2 to the power n e power minus j omega n. Now take a common. It would be n is equal to 4 to infinity 1 by 2 e power minus j omega whole to the power n. What formula to use here? By infinite sum formula. What's the formula? Summation n is equal to k to infinity is always what? Alpha power n will be n ಬರುತ್ತೆ
alpha square.
alpha power k whole
1
divided by
minus alpha.
1 minus alpha.
Alpha.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ Z ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಜ್ಞಾಪನ ಇದೆಯಾ? Summation is equal to k to infinity alpha power n will be equal to alpha power k divided by 1 minus alpha. Now it would be what now? ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? 1 by 2 e power minus j omega whole square to the power 4 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 e power minus j omega. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Suppose if they ask magnitude, magnitude of x of e power j omega will be nothing but mod x of e power j omega will be equal to ಬರೀ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. It's 1 by 2 whole to the power 4 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಜಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ. I'll write here 1 by 4 whole to the power 4 whole divided by if you want to write the magnitude here again you have to split the terms here. Yes or no? ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? How you split the terms here? Real part imaginary part ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ magnitude ಕಂಡಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ? You require real part and the imaginary part, right?
Yes, sir.
You require real part and the imaginary part. Then how will consider? This can be written as cos of omega minus j sin of omega. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. One by 2 e power minus j omega 1 minus 1 by 2 cos of omega plus j 1 by 2 sin omega. So if you split the real part and the imaginary part in the denominator, it would be correct. ಹಂಗೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, imaginary real part ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, sorry. It's not required. So imaginary real part, it would be now real part ಏನಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ? This will be the real part, right? 1 minus 1 by 2 cos omega whole square plus 1 by 2 sin omega whole square. Will you agree?
Root of ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, root of value.
Sorry, root of, root miss ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Square root of 1 minus 1 by 2 cos omega whole square plus 1 by 2 sin omega whole square. Base angle will be next phase of x of e power j omega nothing but at an angle of x of e power j omega will be equal to minus 4 omega minus tan inverse of y by x, that is 1 by 2 sin omega 1 by 2 sin omega divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 cos omega minus 4 omega minus tan inverse of y by x 1 by 2 sin omega divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 cos omega. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take on next problem, problem number 5. Compute the DTFT of the signal. Compute the DTFT of the signal. X of n will be equal to 2 power n into e of minus n. 2 power n into e of minus n. Solution will be x of e power j omega will be summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity x of n into e power minus j omega n. Now, what is the limits for this problem?
Minus infinity to 0.
Very good. It is minus n ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? They given minus n, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Minus n ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ it is always very good. Minus infinity to 0. 2 power n into e power minus j omega n. If it is like this, it is difficult to solve the problem, right? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, put m is equal to minus n ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. Put m is equal to minus n. That means I am avoiding the negative limits. E power j omega will be now summation m is equal to infinity to 0. N will becomes e power minus j omega. Here e power j omega m. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ m is equal to minus n ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Why use m is equal to minus n here? ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ?
Sir, 0 to infinity.
Limits and
ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ m is equal to minus n. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, m is equal to infinity ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು minus m ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು m ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus of minus plus m ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then interchange the limits now. M is equal to 0 to infinity. If you interchange the limits, this will becomes just, that's all. If you interchange the limits, it will become e power j omega into, take m common, 2 inverse into e power j omega to the power m. It is in the which form now? Infinite sum formula na?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
By infinite sum formula. ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾರು? 1 minus
Discrete, sir.
discrete ಇರಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
No, sir. Very continuous.
Continuous. Okay. E power j omega will be equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 inverse e power j omega. If you further simplify, it would be 1 minus e power j omega by 2, 1 by 2 minus e power minus j omega whole divided by 2. Your final answer will be 2 divided by 2 minus e power minus j. This will be x of e power j omega. Parallel ಬರ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
Next problem number
6.
6. Okay, take on. Find the DTFT of the signal. Find DTFT of the signal. X of n is equal to 1 by 4 to the power n into u of n plus 4. 1 by 4 to the power n into u of n plus 4. What is the first step now? X of e power j omega will be equal to summation n is equal to minus infinity infinity x of n into e power minus j omega. X of e power j omega will be n is equal to, what's the limits now? U of n plus 4 is n is equal to
minus 4 to
minus 4 to infinity. What is x of n value? 1 by 4 to the power n e power minus j omega n. It would be now put m is equal to n plus 4. Put m is equal to n plus 4. Why you should substitute m is equal to n plus 4 now?
sir infinite sum formula bro.
Because to get the infinite sum formula. Very good. Now it would be now x of e power j omega will be now n plus 4 means here m will be equal to 0, right? M is equal to 0 to infinity 1 by 4. In the place of n, it is m minus 4 e power minus j omega m minus 4. Infinite sum formula barakoskara, to get the infinite sum formula, we are putting or substituting like that. M is equal to n plus 4. Now it would be summation m is equal to 0 to infinity 1 by 4 to the power m into 1 by 4 to the power minus 4 e power minus j omega m into e power plus j4. Take 1 by 4 to the power minus 4 outside and also omega miss ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. E power j4 omega outside. It will remain with summation m is equal to 0 to infinity 1 by 4 to the power m into e power minus j omega m. Not clear? Just a minute. Just a minute.
ಸರ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ರೇಖಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾರಾ?
ಹಲೋ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನಿಮಿಷ? ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ 1/4 to the power -4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4/4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ 4 to the power 4 ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 2 to 56 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 1/4 into e power - j omega to the power m. ಸೊ 1/1 - ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. Finally, you get 256 into e power j 4 omega divided by 1 minus 1 by 4 e power minus j omega. Okay.
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ನಾನು ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅವ್ರು 3:30 ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರಂತೆ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್. ಓಕೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು 2 to 3:30 ತಗೊಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ, ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ. ಇನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ 2 to 3:30 ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಾಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ರೋಲ್